Well, I spent most of the morning building a more production soundboard, 4Sounds. This is the board I've been using, and as you can see, it's not great. This is a real production board that Andy put together. He designed the board, and all I did was assemble it, and it seems like we got the big pieces ready to go. It seems like it. It might be my battery in my fob, because I've been using this fob forever. And I've learned with this B button for the bell, if you hold it and get 2 clicks. Oh, sorry, I didn't. You hold it, you'll get continuous until you hit it, touch it again, and you get that little intermittent click, and then it'll stop.
Arriving at track 3, the Baltimore, Ohio Royal Blue Special from New York City. Arriving track 3.
The beauty of that A button is we can record whatever line you have in there. We can actually take out the all aboard and put in another announcement. You know, they all 4 could be announcements, but I really like, right, you got to have a steam whistle. And we can get different steam whistles, larger engines, smaller engines. We can't do too much with it. The other thing is the power probably should come to the track when the motor is running or something like that, like we did over there, so that, because we only have these frequencies, and if you have 2 engines with the same soundboard and you hit the A button, both A sounds will play. We don't want that. But if one engine is not moving, the motor is not turning, we could have a relay that sits at normally open on the power, so the power is off when the motor's off, even though you could have track power and you could have steam coming out and such as that, but the sounds won't play until the motor's moving. That's an idea. There are some limitations, but I still think the 4Sounds definitely worth having. And now that this board is complete for the new engine build that I'm working on, I'm going to address this menagerie and try to shrink that down to something a little more not so obscene, and see how that would work. I'm going to probably leave this engine intact and put on my old sound system in a tender, but the next engine I'll change this out. I'll put this blue on the Mule 2 for all the updates. How's that? That way Leon has the latest and he moves along. So I'll put one of my older engines on this thing. Okay, that's the plan, Sam. And I got my new R&D center almost working yesterday. This is a sort of a design station that lets you try circuits as well as Arduino software. So, and it uses this same board, and it uses the same board that we have for our control, our level 2. So ESP32s. That should be a lot of fun. Anyway, that's it. Production sounds done and working.